Okay guys, so I recently ordered a box from Amazon and it is this item right here.
The magnet.
Yeah, it's called magnetic blocks. So I kind of wanted to do a first impressions review type with the kids and yeah, so first impressions, so let's continue. So I ordered this, I'll put the price down below or I'll insert it somewhere here. I can't remember how much it was. So this brand is called, actually, I believe it's just called magnetic blocks. So it's very generic. And let me see. Here's the back of the box. Just trying to see how many pieces it comes with again. I don't remember. It doesn't really say anything at all. It just says for 3+ only. Okay, so.
That's what we make it.
Whoa, okay. Okay, so the brand is that right there. MIBOTE, I think it's pronounced. And we got about, I don't remember. I'll put it in below. So, I have really no idea what shapes come in and everything. Okay, you take it apart like this, sweetie. You build it. Take it apart. You can build whatever you want. You want to build a house? Build like this, baby. Oh, they're very strong. Like, you can hear it. Like, okay. Ooh. These are really cool.
Like you look at a bill. Whoa.
Wow. It's pretty loud. Like it snaps really strong. I heard that some of them don't stick very well. So I was unsure of which excuse me, brand to go with, but I'm happy with this one. So far it's holding up pretty good.
I'm putting mine.
So take it apart, sweetie. Yeah. Very good. And they give you a pouch to hold all the pieces in. Some had boxes and stuff like that. So I think this is one of Best Buy's top sellers. So I went with this one.
I need to. Oh, look, it made a shape.
Oh.
You gotta make some room.
Wow. You guys like it?
Hey.
Carter, won't you take yours apart and make it square? Then you have more, baby. Look, baby. Look. Do this. You just did, Cassidy. Did you see what you just did? Look, ready? Watch. Ready? Oh, ready? What did you do? You built a diamond.
Mama, can you do it for me too? I show you. There's a piece of it. And then baby diamond. Yeah, we'll make a baby diamond. Yeah. You can make any color you want. Yeah. Like, you know what it's made? I'm gonna make another diamond. This is my diamond. There you go. Like you know, I make 2 diamonds. Yeah.